So I guess you would like to know how to find your one and only? Oh, it's so easy, don't worry. I know no one told you yet, but that was a secret, so now we will find out everything, so just keep watching. So, are you ready? Just wait. Yeah. Stop searching. Like seriously, stop searching for your one and only. We love stories, and the movies made us think that actually we can find that one and only, that other piece of the apple. But the reality is that everyone lied to you. Sorry for saying that, but I know it feels like you just find out that the Santa is not real, but that's the truth. Back to the real talk, that actually the one and only person that you're searching for is the one that you choose to be the one and only. So that means that actually anyone could be your one and only. Every person that comes to our life is actually the one for us. If person is in your life, it has to be in your life. If you are with somebody right now and you're thinking like, is he the one or is she the one? Stop it. If you feel that most of the time it's really nice to be with a person and you have not maybe a lot of things in common, but you can find some things in common and you can live together quite nice, so that's okay. She or he is the one. So you just need to find the way to fight with each other and to find the ways how you can spend time with each other, and you just need to figure it out how it should be in your relationship, because you cannot find couples that don't fight. There is no such a thing that you see in movies that they say like, and they lived happily ever after. And what happened then? They fight, they find solutions, they maybe even divorce, you never know. But only we choose how it should be in our relationship. So do not search for that one and only. Like in my personal experience, there was time that I was thinking if my right now husband is right for me or not. I wasn't sure, but I chose that he will be the one, and he is actually the one. I am so happy to have him next to me and to learn from him, and he's teaching me so much. Every day we find the solutions how to make it better, and we try to help each other, and it's a long way to go. It's not that it was like that from the first day that we met, but right now it's 10 years that we are together, and now I am more in love than I ever been. So it's actually like proof that only we choose who we want the one and only to be. It's not easy. It would be nice to just find person and you never fight, you love to do everything together and everything is nice and yeah, like in the movies. But actually the reality is not that beautiful. But it's up to us how we create our relationship. So I wish you to stop thinking that you need to find somebody. Just look at him or her and just try to understand if you can live with him or her, if he is a good person, what are the qualities that you need in a relationship. And maybe he will not or she will not have all of these qualities, but maybe the person will have some of them. Some of the qualities will come with the time, but not all of it, because we are not perfect and we cannot find the perfect one also. And there's one more thing. If you are growing, the person next to you will grow together. And if you think that you might find somebody that is better, maybe have more money, maybe look better, maybe act better, just look at yourself, because you cannot find better person that you are. Because you see, you will find always people that are in the same level as you are, because the better person will not look at you and you will not look in the bad one. So you will always stay in the same level, and if you rise, the better person will look at you, or maybe person who is next to you will rise with you together. If the person who is next to you is not growing together, he will go away. But if you grow, the person will grow together. And if you don't have a person next to you, you will find a better one when you become a better one. So I wish you to grow your consciousness. I wish you to grow and to find more peace in your heart, to find out what you want from the relationship. And believe me, the person that is next to you will grow together, or maybe leave, or maybe you will find the one who is actually for you. Just look inside you. Everything is there. Have a nice day.